Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm doing a bike check for you from my TT. Yeah, let's begin. The bike is a Stevens, a Super Trofeo. It's a really nice one. I love the bike. Geometry, it's so nice. It's clean. Yeah, the wheels are completely Swiss. The model is the 1400 spline. Yeah, they are really aerodynamic. These are my training wheels. I'm using normally a disc wheel for remap on the back, but I'm still using this in the race. Yeah, I'm using. Beginning, I had the normal Ultegra, but my uncle bought me the DI2 Ultegra, which is one of the most important things I think on a TT, because yeah, it's you can already change the gear when you are in the turn and then accelerate faster out of a turn, which is really useful in a TT to push every second. Yeah, I'm using here a bottle from Elite, which is very nice. It's an aerodynamic TT bottle. Yeah, I'm also using this in the race because yeah, then this is more fulfilled. This means that less air is getting inside. Yeah. A lot of guys asked what saddle I'm using. I'm using the Eason Oxygen saddle. I'm very happy with the saddle. It's a TT saddle. Yeah. Um, yeah, the handlebars are nowadays very important for the TT because yeah, that's where the air comes first. So yeah, nowadays the trend is to go more up with the handlebars so that you are behind the handlebars more, that you're more dynamic and there's less air coming to your body, which is very important, which saves you a lot of watts and makes you a lot faster. Well, because earlier they rode like that, so that a lot of air was coming here inside. That was very bad. So yeah, I'm using the UCI limit is 10 centimeters above the pads, and I'm using the maximum. I'm going full max. So yeah, the pads are normally there are pads which are a little bit wider. So yeah, I'm using now pads which are like so where the arm fits perfectly in it, which is so nice, so comfortable. As a Garmin holder, I'm using a key edge. Yeah, because I love to see what I'm currently doing and how many watts I'm pushing, which is for me very important. So I have a key edge with this, which is designed for TT. Then to look at my power, I'm having the Garmin pedals, which are very nice, which where you also can see on each side how many percentages you're pushing on each side, which is very nice. Yeah. And here are some special equipment which I'm using during a time trial. First up, the helmet. It's from Kask. It's a Bambino. Then we have the Route 28, which are overshoes. They are really nice. For personally, I think they are the best overshoes, aerodynamic overshoes in the market. Yeah, and then I have also some little personifications on my bike. For example, the grip tape on my gear, where I have more grip. Also, the grip tape is also on the on the brakes, which is also very nice. And then also I have on the handlebar I've written shut up legs, it's only pain, which I will probably change to shut up legs, keep aero,